So paper 1, 2016, and we're going to take a look at question 4. And without even kind of reading the question too much, I spot that this is a functions question because of this thing here. So we're in a functions question on paper 1, leaving cert. We're probably going to have to differentiate. Okay, so that should be at the fore of your mind. I'm going to have to differentiate here. Right. So it may not happen, but it's highly likely that you will be asked to differentiate on paper 1 in the functions question. Find the coordinates of the point at which the graph f cuts the y-axis. Cuts the y-axis? Well, we let x equal 0. Because the coordinates of that point there, it doesn't matter what value its y is, we know its x is always going to be 0. So we let our x value be 0. So we go 0 cubed plus 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 7, and that's equal to 7. I just check to see if I'm recording sound. And I am. Okay, we're good. Right, verify using algebra that the point 1, 7 is on the graph. Okay, so we've been given an x, we've been given a y. So I put the x in here and I see if the y is equal to 7. So I go 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 7, and hopefully that's going to equal to 7. So I bang it into my calculator. 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 7, and it's equal to 7. So 1, 7 is on the graph. That's pretty nice. Find f prime of x. So that's differentiate this original thing up here. So when we differentiate our original function up here, we get 3x squared plus 2x minus 2. Hence, find the slope of the tangent of the graph when x is 1. So we put x into this thing here. So we go 3 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 2. So that's going to give us 3 plus 2 minus 2. So that's going to give us 3. So very straightforward question so far. Hence, find the equation of the tangent of the graph f at the point 1, 7. Okay, so what do we need to do? Find the equation of the tangent, but the tangent is just a line. So we're going to have to find the equation of a line. So we use the formula y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. And that then gives us y minus 7 equals 3 into x minus 1, because that thing there is my m and that's my x1, y1. So I'd already worked out my slope. My slope was 3. So I have y minus 7 is equal to 3x minus 3. Y minus 7 minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Sorry lads, that was a mistake. So I now have to write everything on the one side and keep x positive. So x is currently positive, so everything gets brought over to its side. So we go 3x minus y minus 3 plus 7, and that's going to equal 0. So 0 is equal to 3x minus y plus 4. And that's the equation of a line. Of the tangent, sorry. That's the equation of the tangent. Was that the entire question 4? Look at that. Okay, so that last part there, part C, part 2, you have to do a little bit of thinking about that, okay? You have to kind of understand the concept. But all the rest was just straightforward, functions, putting numbers into functions and getting numbers out, doing a bit of differentiating. You should be doing really well in that question there. So to be doing really well in question 4 is a really good thing to be able to do, okay? So that's question 4.